Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Tuta Mail Guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Tuta Mail Sync not working issues. Whether your emails aren't updating, messages aren't appearing across devices, folders aren't syncing properly, or changes aren't being reflected in your account. There are several troubleshooting steps you can take to restore synchronization. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Tuta Mail relies on a stable connection to sync emails, folders, contacts, and account data between your devices and its servers. Next, refresh your mailbox manually and wait a few moments to see if new messages appear. Temporary network interruptions can sometimes delay synchronization. If you're using the Tuta Mail mobile app, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Software updates often contain bug fixes and performance improvements related to syncing. You should also verify that your device's operating system is up to date. Compatibility issues between outdated operating systems and newer app versions can sometimes affect synchronization. For mobile users, check that background data usage is enabled for the Tuta Mail app. Some devices restrict background activity, preventing email synchronization when the app is not actively open. Another important step is to review battery optimization settings. Aggressive battery-saving features can stop Tuta Mail from syncing properly in the background. And that's how to fix Tuta Mail Sync not working issues. By checking your connection, software updates, background settings, and account status, you can resolve most synchronization problems and keep your mailbox updated across all devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.